Hi children, how are you all? Today we are going to study about our next lesson, respiration in organisms. What is the name? Respiration in organisms. In second class we learned about the cell is the structural and functional unit of living organism. All living organisms body made up of a single cell. And each cell carries certain types of functions in our body. There are excretion, nutrition, digestion, etc. To perform these functions, the cells need energy. Do you know where does the energy get from? We get energy from our food. Food gives us energy, and this energy we use for to perform different types of functions in our body. So the cells need energy. The cell get energy from our food. Food gives us energy. The food has stored energy, and this energy is released during the respiration process. During the respiration process, the energy is released from our food item. Which process? Respiration process. During the respiration process, the energy is released from our food. Okay. Therefore, all living organisms respire to get energy from their food. During breathing time, we take in which gas? Oxygen gas. And during breathe out, that time carbon dioxide, breathing gas, breathing out, during we breathing out, that time the carbon dioxide is given out from our body. So respiration is the process of, it is one process of releasing energy from our food. The process of breakdown of food in the cell with release the energy is called cellular respiration. What is called cellular respiration? First you studied about cellular respiration. What is cellular respiration? The process of breaking down of food in the cell and with release the energy. And this process is called cellular respiration. What is called? Cellular respiration. The process of breaking down of food and release energy. This process is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration takes place in the cells of an organism. Cellular respiration takes place cells in the organism. Cellular respiration നടക്കുന്നത് organismത്തിന്റെ സെൽസിലാണ് അല്ലേ? എന്താണ് cellular respiration? The process of breaking down of food in the cell and release energy. This process is called cellular respiration. Cellular respiration takes place in the cells of an organism. There are two types of cellular respiration. There are aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration. First one aerobic respiration and second one anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? In this cell, the food is broken down into carbon dioxide and water in the presence of oxygen, and this process is called, this type of respiration is called aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration in the presence of oxygen. Respiration taking place in the presence of oxygen. The releasing of energy from in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? The food is broken down into converted into carbon dioxide and water. In the cell, food is broken down into carbon dioxide and water using oxygen gas. And the respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Oxygen presence ilana aerobic respiration നടക്കുന്നത് അല്ലേ? അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗ്ലൂക്കോസ് റിലീസ് ചെയ്ത് കാർബൺ ഡൈ ഓക്സൈഡും വാട്ടറുമായി കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നത് ഓക്സിജന്റെ പ്രസൻസിലാണെങ്കിൽ ഇതാണ് aerobic respiration. But respiration takes place in the presence of oxygen gas. It is called aerobic respiration. What is anaerobic respiration? The food is broken down without using the oxygen gas. It is called anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration the food is broken down. The food is broken down without using oxygen. It is called anaerobic respiration. Cellular respiration are two types, aerobic and anaerobic. What is cellular respiration? The food is broken down into carbon dioxide and water in the cell, and this respiration taking place in the cells of an organism is called cellular respiration. There are two types of cellular respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration, the food is broken down with using oxygen gas. This process is called aerobic respiration. And food is broken down without using oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. Okay. There are some organisms such as yeast. They are living in the absence of air. They can survive in the absence of air. So they are called anaerobes. So anaerobic respiration takes place. Some organisms such as yeast. Yeast is an example of anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration നടക്കുന്ന ഒരു organism ആണ് yeast. They can survive in the absence of air. Next one, breathing. What is breathing? Do you know breathing? What is breathing? Breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen gas, and we give out which gas? Carbon dioxide gas. We giving out air rich in carbon dioxide gas with the help of some respiratory organs. And this process is called breathing. Breathing is taking in air rich in oxygen gas and giving out air in carbon dioxide gas. Rich in carbon dioxide gas with the help of respiratory organs is called breathing. So breathing is the combination of inhalation and exhalation. What is inhalation? Already studied in our class. Inhalation, inhaler. For breathing time, we taking which air? Oxygen gas. The breathing of air rich in oxygen gas. That is called inhalation. The taking in of air rich in oxygen gas into the body is called inhalation. What is called inhalation? The taking of air rich in oxygen gas into the body is called inhalation. What is exhalation? Giving out air rich in carbon dioxide gas is called exhalation. Is called exhalation. So breathing is the combination of inhalation and exhalation. Okay. And breathing is the one continuous process. It goes on all time and throughout the life of an organism. The number of times a person breathes in a minute, it is called breathing rate. What is breathing rate? The number of times a person breathes in a minute. ഒരു മിനിറ്റിൽ ഒരു എത്ര പ്രാവശ്യം ബ്രീത്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു അതാണ് breathing rate. What is breathing rate? The number of times in a person breathe in a minute is called breathing rate. Okay, dear children. Today we are studied respiration. What is respiration? It is the process of the release of energy from our food material. All living organisms are made up of single unit. Single unit is called cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of all living organism. Each cell of an organism is to perform certain functions in our body. And to carry out these functions, the cells need energy. We get energy from our food material. The food is broken down and release energy in the cells of a living organism is called cellular respiration. Two types of cellular respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration takes place with the using of oxygen. Aerobic respiration, the releasing energy with the using oxygen is called aerobic respiration in the presence of the oxygen. In the absence of oxygen or without using oxygen, the respiration is called anaerobic respiration. Example, yeast. Yeast are called anaerobes. They can survive without oxygen or without air. The next one, next we studied breathing. Breathing is the process of taking air, switching oxygen gas and giving out carbon dioxide gas. It is a combination of inhalation and exhalation. The taking of air rich in oxygen into the body is called inhalation. And giving out carbon dioxide is called exhalation. And it is one continuous process. It goes on all time and throughout the life of an organism. What is breathing rate? The number of times a person breathes in a minute. The number of times a person to breathe in 1 minute is called breathing rate. Okay, dear children, everybody should read the textbook carefully. If you have any doubt, you call me. The next class we will discuss in next section. Okay, children, stay home, stay safe. Once again, thank you. Bye.